Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the default values on your PlayStation, and there's two different ways that we can do this on the PS4. So on the home screen here, let's go up to settings and select this. Then go on down to the bottom where it says initialization. Then select this, and you can go to restore default settings right here. Then you'll have to enter in this specific code. So enter in 0000 if you haven't touched anything or did anything. Now it says the following settings will be restored to default values. And you'll notice networks under here and also your login. So you'll have to re-log in with your email address and password. So make sure you have those at hand before you do this. Now if you do not remember the code 0000 because there's parental controls or something on your PlayStation, you can hold down the PlayStation button and then you can go to power and then you can completely turn off your PS4, and we're going to launch this into the safe mode menu. Now you will need a USB to micro USB cable to operate the safe mode menu, so connect this to the PlayStation and your controller, and once the PlayStation 4 completely turns off, we will want to hold down the power button and we will hear one beep. About 10 to 15 seconds later we will hear another beep, indicating our PS4 is launching into the safe mode menu. Now go to your controller and press the PlayStation button, and we can operate the menu with the D-pad and select with X. Now we can go on down to option number 4, restore default settings. The settings will be returned to default values. Are you sure you want to continue? If you go to continue, you won't have to enter in the 0000 parental control password or anything like that. It'll just restore the default values. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.